Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Windows 11 on your computer. Whether you're upgrading from an older version of Windows or performing a clean installation, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through everything from creating a bootable USB drive to setting up your new Windows 11 environment. Let's get started and make your installation smooth and hassle-free. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and support us. Your subscription helps us bring you more great content and grow our community. 1. Download the Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. 2. Download and install the Rufus tool. 3. Open Rufus tool and create a bootable flash drive of Windows 11 using the ISO file that was downloaded. 4. Change BIOS settings on the computer. Make the first bootable device a USB flash drive. 5. Install Windows 11 to your computer. Please note your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11, including a compatible 64-bit processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, UEFI firmware with secure boot, TPM version 2.0, and a DirectX 12 compatible graphics card. Also, please back up all important data to prevent data loss during installation. First, download the Windows 11 ISO file from the internet. Go to Chrome browser. Enter Windows 11. It will show the Microsoft official page to download the Windows ISO file. The link will be added on the description box. Now select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click Download Now. Now it will ask you to select language, as select language and confirm. Select 64-bit. Now your download started, you can see it is 6.3 GB. As it will take some time to complete the download based on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, we need another tool, which is Rufus, to create a bootable flash drive using this Win11 ISO file. Two, download Rufus tool. Open Chrome and type Rufus. You can see the first website which contains Rufus. Also, I have copied the link on the description box. Go the options below. Download. You can see different versions of Rufus here. Select the first one, Rufus 4.4.exe standard, which is enough for us to install Windows 11. Create bootable drive. Insert the USB drive. Open Rufus. You can see your flash drive here. Select the ISO file of Windows. Then click Start. Then untick all these boxes. Click OK. Now it is creating the bootable drive. It will take some minutes to complete. Once completed, just close the window. Open this PC and make sure the drive is ready here. Insert the USB bootable flash drive on the computer and power it on. Select the first bootable device as this USB. Next, boot from USB drive. Insert the bootable USB drive into your computer. Boot order selection for the computer may vary based on the brands. Please refer to this table to select the right boot order selection for your computer. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS Wi-Fi settings, usually by pressing F2, F12, delete, or escape during startup. Change the boot order to prioritize the USB drive. Save the changes and restart your computer. Select your language to install, time and currency format, keyboard layout or input method, etc. Then click Next. Click Install Now. Then accept the license terms and click Next. Here, select the custom option to install Windows. If it is a new hard disk or SSD, I will show you how to make the partitions. Okay, this is our hard disk full size. Now, I am going to make 2 partitions only to show you the process. Just type here the size of partitions you wanted to make, then apply. Okay, in the same way, the remaining size makes the second partition. Apply. Okay, now select the drive in which you are going to install Windows 11. Format this drive. Then click Next. Now the process started. It will take some minutes or an hour based on the PC's performance and specifications. Once completed, it will restart. Now select country. Select keyboard layout. If you want to add one more keyboard layout, you can add it here, or you can add it in the future also. If not, just skip it. Not connecting to the internet. As we can select, I don't have internet. Continue with a limited setup. Enter name, enter the password if needed. If not, click Next. The password also, you can add it later if required. Then accept here. Here we go, the Windows 11 is getting ready now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed learning how to install Windows 11 on a computer, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest DIY projects, tech tutorials, and creative hacks. Thanks for watching.